Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this, I am married now. So I am flying through the last of my Miss to Mrs. Boxes. I think this is 6, 7, and 8. Maybe it's 5, 6, 7. I don't know. But I'm going to start with this one. It's either box 6 or 5. I think it's 6. Who knows? Either way, we're going to unbox it, and it's going to be amazing. So for those of you who are new here, the link down below to the other unboxings will be there, as well as a link to the website, because I personally have loved getting these boxes. It's just a subscription box. There's 8 of them. You can choose how often they come depending on how soon you're getting married. Or if you are a homie, you can hook up your friend with one. I got this for myself, but if you a trillist of homies, you can get this for your friend. So you open it up and you just have your spoiler card, which this is the first one I haven't actually opened beforehand. And then you just have this really cute gold Miss to Mrs. Tissue paper. So this is a real unboxing for like the first time ever. Okay, so you have your Bridal Emergency Kit right here. So anything that you might need the day of, you have this. I'm gonna look at that because it's the night before and I'm making a mess in the apartment instead of getting some beauty rest. So I don't know what my problem is, but here we are. What is this? Dresses and hairstyles. So depending on the neckline of your dress, it has some different hair suggestions. So that's super cute. And then, girl, it's makeup stuff. Okay, so first we have Bridal Look Essentials, professional makeup brushes from Zaraya? I don't know. I've never heard of this makeup brand before. And I wish I had opened this box before I went to Ulta yesterday and got a little crazy. But hold on, let me open this for you. I'm gonna use these anyway, because, you know. But so cute. So we have whatever this brush is. I'm like an excellent beauty guru. I like used to do beauty videos, but to be honest with you, I don't take it that seriously. I just kind of have fun with it. Whatever this is. Short eyeshadow. It's labeled. Thank goodness. Flat eyeliner. That's what I would have used it for, but I didn't want to sound ignorant. Blending. These are my favorite brushes because, I don't know, I just like to razzle dazzle everything. And then a blush brush, which is great because I need one for tomorrow. A little fresh blush action. Sweet. We have some Manna Kadar Iconic eyelashes with glue. So there are those. I ended up getting my own lashes that I like a little bit better than these. But I'm going to use these like on the daily. Maybe. If I learn how to do that on the daily. I might just have to wait until I see my best friend who can hook a sister up. Anyway, then we have this really gorgeous little white Miss to Mrs. box, and you open it up, and there is this, hold on, gorgeous rose gold reflective with a gold on the outside mirror. Look at that janky setup. But anyway, that's actually super cute. Bougie AF. Love that though. Okay. That's so cute. Here's a seashell. Don't know what's in here, but it's sparkly, so I'm excited. You unzip it. Ooh, how cute. It's a little manicure, like nail kit. So cute. I love that. Aww. Boop. Super cute. Then we have a little makeup sponge. It's got that little shape there. I don't know what that does for you, but I love that color though. I am obsessed with makeup sponges. Love them. I honestly don't know why. I just feel like the foundation brushes, they don't bode well with my face. Here's this. Ooh, an eyeshadow palette. It's from Focallure eyeshadow. Ah! Here's here's a knife. I don't know why I just randomly keep weapons around the apartment. I do know why. It's because I am, how do you say, paranoid? It's just, I'd rather have a weapon around and not need it than not have a weapon and need it. You know what I mean? Anyway, there are more weapons in this house than anyone should have ever. We've got knives, we've got daggers, we've got swords. A surprising amount of swords. And a couple of guns, you know? So I bet like 80 people are gonna unfollow right now because everyone's gonna get their butts hurt. But anyways, okay. Here's this. I'm just gonna edit all of that out. I don't know why I'm going off about that. Here we go. This is the palette. Ooh, those are actually really pretty colors. Like I would totally, oh, let's see if we can, like, I don't know. Those are just gorgeous, really pretty fall colors. They're a little too dark for the wedding, I think, but those are totally colors that I would use all the time. And what's this? This says Hair Couture. Let's see what's in here. Sorry, I'm like all excited. Oh my heck. These are stunning. I'm gonna have to have my mom put these in my hair tomorrow. She says as she throws it out a window. Like, look at these. These are, you can't even see. Like, the camera's not gonna do these justice at all. There's 3 of these hairpins. By far my favorite item that I've received, like, during the entire subscription. By far. Love this. And I've loved this subscription. Like, those are perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about those. All right, that is that. I'm going to move on to the next box. Let me know what your favorite item was down below. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. And until next time, stay batty.